Hello friends, welcome to SaritzArtRoom again. So today it's a new idea and new decoration for you all. Today we are having a blackboard preparation or a blackboard design on your kitchen wall. Many times I have seen ladies keeps on writing schedule or to-do list or some important task they have to do on calendar, or they will write on sticky notes and will stick all those notes on fridge or somewhere on kitchen. So okay, that doesn't look good, right? So today we are making our own DIY blackboard on our kitchen wall. So we need some basic material for this, and it's very easy. So you can enjoy this DIY activity along with your kids in your lockdown. So here is the black acrylic color. If you don't have tubes, this is a basic acrylic color box. You can use black and white from this. We need a flat and quite big brush because we are painting on a wall. So with small brush it will be time consuming. And just we need one disposable glass in which we are mixing all colors together. We need a Fevicol or glue. That's it. And yeah, one important thing I missed, we need ceramic powder or plaster of Paris. So what we have to do, we have to take empty disposable glass. We have to mix equal amount of Fevicol, plaster of Paris and water into the cup. Okay, and that will be your base coat for the blackboard. So first draw a blackboard design on your wall using chalk. So it's a blackboard chalk. It is easily removable. So you can use blackboard chalk, so you can erase it easily and make a design whichever shape you want for your blackboard. Once you have designed your blackboard, just use masking tape to cover borders of your outline, so that you don't have to worry about the sharp edges while painting. Once you have done that step, after putting masking tape, you have to apply the mixture I said, equal amount of water, Fevicol and plaster of Paris. Mix it thoroughly, because many times what happens, plaster of Paris will remain at the bottom, it will not get mixed properly. So mix it thoroughly and then use that mixture. Depend on the thickness, you can either add plaster of Paris or little bit of water if you feel it is quite thick. Then apply uniformly on your blackboard design. Once that's done, use the remaining powder or base color you have prepared. Use that. Add quite good amount of black color. It should look dark black, okay, jet black. So in first layer it will not look jet black, so you just add generous amount of black color into that and then apply the second coat of your blackboard. Once both coats are done, then you have to use only black color, black acrylic color, along with little bit of water and apply on your blackboard. That's your final coat, and then your blackboard will look jet black color. Let's wait to get it dry. After getting it dried, if you want to add a little bit artistic effect, you can add some design on top of your blackboard using white acrylic color, the way I have done it. So just wait to get it dried completely, then remove your masking tapes and your DIY blackboard is ready. I'm not showing actual demo today. I couldn't take a video because it was very low light, so video was not preferable. So I have already done and I'm showing you pictures, but it's very simple, and with all the tips I have given you, you can do it easily. No worry, no problem at all. So definitely you can do this, and please let me know how it looks in your kitchen. So have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.